The demand for high-quality garden hoses has surged as homeowners and gardeners seek efficiency, durability, and ease of use. A reliable hose ensures optimal water flow for pressure washers, sprinklers, and outdoor cleaning tasks. This guide evaluates the best garden hoses based on build quality, flexibility.
List number 1. Flexilla Garden Hose 5/8 inch by 50 feet. Lightweight, all-weather water hose. The Flexilla Garden Hose 5/8 inch by 50 feet is a versatile, lightweight option suitable for pressure washers and general outdoor tasks. Its hybrid polymer construction provides extreme flexibility in both cold and hot temperatures, allowing it to remain pliable without kinking or twisting. This feature ensures consistent water flow, which is crucial for maintaining pressure during washing or irrigation. The hose's 5/8 inch diameter optimizes water volume, making it compatible with most residential pressure washers. The 50-foot length provides sufficient reach for medium-sized yards without dragging excessively or creating clutter. Durable fittings made from anodized aircraft aluminum prevent leaks and corrosion, enhancing longevity. Its all-weather design withstands harsh conditions, from freezing winters to hot summers, making it a year-round solution. Lightweight construction ensures ease of maneuvering, reducing strain during prolonged use. For gardeners, homeowners, and pressure washer enthusiasts seeking a combination of flexibility, durability, and performance, the Flexilla Garden Hose delivers exceptional value and reliability.
List number 2. Kink Control Plus 8567-50 Garden Hose. The Kink Control Plus 8567-50 is designed to eliminate one of the most common frustrations with garden hoses: tangling and kinking. Constructed from durable, reinforced rubber and synthetic materials, this hose remains flexible under pressure while resisting twists and knots, ensuring uninterrupted water flow. Its 5/8 inch diameter and 50-foot length make it ideal for residential pressure washer use, providing ample reach for cleaning patios, vehicles, and garden areas. The hose features robust brass fittings for leak-free connections and long-lasting performance. The Kink Control Plus hose is rated for high-pressure water applications, making it compatible with pressure washers without risking bursts or damage. Its UV and abrasion-resistant design ensures durability even under prolonged sun exposure and heavy outdoor use. Easy to handle and store, this hose combines convenience, reliability, and robust construction, making it a smart choice for homeowners who need a dependable garden hose for pressure washing tasks. List number 3. Heavy-duty garden hose 25-foot non-expandable flexible water hose. The heavy-duty 25-foot non-expandable garden hose is a compact and durable solution for short-range pressure washer applications. Constructed from thick, reinforced PVC material, it offers excellent resistance to kinks, punctures, and abrasions. Its non-expandable design maintains consistent water pressure, which is crucial for effective cleaning. Despite its durability, the hose remains flexible, making it easy to maneuver around vehicles, patios, and garden beds. The 25-foot length is ideal for small to medium yards or for connecting pressure washers to nearby water sources. Fittings are designed for tight, leak-free connections, ensuring reliable performance over time. Its compact and lightweight design simplifies storage and handling, and the reinforced construction withstands high-pressure flows typical of residential pressure washer use. For homeowners needing a short, durable, and kink-resistant hose that delivers consistent performance, the heavy-duty 25-foot non-expandable garden hose is a practical and cost-effective choice.
List number 4. Relixtil Garden Hose, Flexible Water Hose, Ultra Lightweight, Non-Expanding. The Relixtil Flexible Water Hose is an ultra-lightweight, non-expanding option perfect for home gardening and pressure washer applications. Its reinforced construction ensures durability while maintaining exceptional flexibility, reducing user fatigue during extended use. The non-expanding design guarantees consistent water pressure, ideal for efficient cleaning and irrigation. Measuring 50 feet,
This hose offers sufficient reach for most residential pressure washer setups, and its lightweight design allows for easy maneuvering. High-quality brass fittings prevent leaks, ensuring a secure connection to the water source and pressure washer. Its kink-resistant construction minimizes tangling and interruptions during operation. The durable outer coating protects against abrasions and UV damage, extending the hose's lifespan. Perfect for homeowners and hobbyists, the Aliexpress garden hose delivers a balance of portability, durability, and consistent performance for pressure washing, gardening, and outdoor cleaning. List number 5. Gilmore Pro Commercial 3/4 inch by 50-foot heavy-duty water hose. The Gilmore Pro Commercial 3/4 inch by 50-foot heavy-duty water hose is designed for professional and high-demand residential use. Its 3/4 inch diameter ensures maximum water flow, supporting commercial-grade pressure washers and large-scale cleaning tasks. Constructed from premium reinforced rubber, the hose provides excellent kink and abrasion resistance for long-term durability. The 50-foot length offers ample reach for medium to large yards, and heavy-duty couplings provide leak-free performance and secure attachment to pressure washers and faucets. Its rugged construction withstands extreme temperatures and repeated outdoor use, making it a dependable choice for demanding environments. While slightly heavier than standard garden hoses, this extra weight translates into stability and durability, especially under high pressure. For users seeking a professional-grade, high-capacity hose that delivers superior water flow and longevity, the Gilmore Pro Commercial Heavy-Duty Water Hose is an ideal investment for both home and commercial applications.